Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Saeco espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was doing a water circuit prime error, and it was pretty much no water coming on. And what we ended up doing is just giving the machine a tune-up. It was dirty inside, so we just pretty much give it a good descale, deep clean pretty much all this part, and as well as yeah, give it a good thing. So now let's test it out. We don't have the thing that goes right here, which is something that will make the coffee go more smoother, so we're just gonna hold it manually right here. $62 ounces. Hot water working, and there you have it, the machine working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.